What we gonna do today?
In the beach.
What we gonna do on the beach?
We're gonna clean up all the trash.
Nice, cool. Let's go. Give me the hand. Ah. We're gonna help the turtles?
Yeah.
Who else we're gonna help?
Sharks.
Are you sure about sharks?
Yeah.
So the sharks are friendly? But who is friendly in the ocean?
Fish.
Fish, okay. How about the dolphins?
Yeah.
They are friendly, right? Cool, cool.
We can.
So what do we have? So this basically says what is allowed and what is not, right?
There's a water and there's a lot of spiders there.
A lot of spiders?
There.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You been there before?
No.
Let's go to the right side. Straight, straight. Let's go this way, Mikey.
This one. Let's see if I know.
We're going to in the pool.
What pool are you talking about? There is the sand, the beach, and the ocean. Nothing else.
I show you.
You show me? Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's go ask the lady.
Where is it?
The Pelican, you're supposed to go to parking lot 5 and it's the Pelican Pavilion.
You like the sand?
Yeah. Look. They don't have shoes.
What is the name? Alina. Just need the two of you to do.
Mikey, ready to clean the beach?
Yeah.
Oh.
Вот видишь, Майки, вот такие мусоры нужно убирать. Давай, let's go. I know, but I need to take it. Look what I got. Oh my god, this is a jellyfish. It's a plastic, a lot of plastic. We take it. You see in here. Look. Look right here, see? Good. See? Making beach cleaner. Let's go again. There is jellyfish. You don't see?
Yeah, we don't see any more jelly.
I want to see it. Yeah.
No, they are really dangerous, Michael.
job.
I was like,